So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get you with another healthy recipe. Today we're gonna be making some cheddar ranch broccoli stuffed chicken. Okay, so let me introduce the ingredients. You got yourself some broccoli here. I cut up in some small pieces, some fresh broccoli, and you got some shredded cheese, and you got some ranch seasoning and some more ranch seasoning. All right, and we got 4 chicken breasts. Okay, and this recipe really only gonna require 3 chicken breasts, but I go ahead and use 4 because I had an extra one, and I just didn't want to throw it in the freezer. I just want to go ahead and use the extra one that I had. But this recipe only requires 3 chicken breasts. All right, so first thing, let me show you. So after you clean and prep your chicken, first I want you to do is get a knife, and then I want you to like slit it in the middle. Go ahead, make that pocket just like that. Because after we season, oh, excuse me, my fault. Sorry about that. So after we season the chicken, right? After we season the chicken, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make our stuffing, okay? So, and we're gonna obviously stuff it right here in this pocket. So get yourself a large bowl, got yourself your chicken breast. Here comes the seasoning. We just wanna go ahead and throw our seasoning on there and just use your hand. Just a regular hand mix here. Just want to hand mix this as good as you can. Okay, so after you get done, seasoning your chicken, just look inside that pocket. Look inside that pocket. Look how you get all that seasoning inside the pocket. That's how we want. So we got our chicken seasoned the way how we want it. So next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix together our stuffing. All right, it's time to make our stuffing. Go ahead, throw your broccoli in a bowl. Okay, so next, let's go ahead, let's add this shredded cheese. And we're going to add all that. Okay, got all that out of there. Next, let's grab our cream cheese and add that to the bowl. Okay, very simple. Okay, so next, we're going to add our seasonings. Okay, so this is ranch seasoning, and I got some other kind of seasonings I mixed together in it. All right, don't worry about it. Oh, let's get it together. Okay, we got it. Okay, don't worry about the ingredients will be in the description box below, so don't worry about that. So what you want to do is get yourself a big spoon. This is really, how I mix it. Adding this cream cheese to it is going to make it a little tough. So try to like break up the cream cheese, and that'll help. So we got this mixed up pretty good. Like I said, it's better to get like a big wooden spoon. Get that closer to the camera for you. Yeah, you got to mix this in very well along with that seasoning, that cheese, that broccoli. Mix it in very well, because if you don't mix it, the right way, you don't mix it good enough, that cream cheese, you can get like a huge chunk of it in a certain piece of the stuffing, and it just, it's not going to taste right. That's why you got to mix it so well like this. Okay, so you just grab our chicken and you start stuffing. So we got our chicken breast. There goes the pocket. So just get yourself a regular spoon. Okay, I'm gonna do one of these for you guys, and you just wanna stick that right in. Try to smash it in as much as you can. That way we can close it as good as we can. So what we're gonna do is just try to use your fingers the best way you can. Flatten it out, even it out, then close that pocket. That's all you got to do. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Close that pocket just like that. Bam. First one's done. All right, guys. So we got our chicken all stuffed. Got it in the dish pan. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this in the oven at 400 for, let's say, 35 to 40 minutes. All right. I got this little extra piece of chicken here. Like I said, this recipe only takes 3 chicken breasts. So that extra one I just had right here. All the rest of them are stuffed. So in the oven at 400, 35 to 40 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. Cheddar ranch broccoli stuffed chicken. Yeah, that look real good right there. So let's go ahead, just dig into this. Look at that. Look at that. Now tell me you don't want some of that. All right, don't y'all worry about it. We got the ingredients down in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. And remember, If it don't look good, I ain't eating it.